In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create departments, also known as groups, in Zendesk. Organizing your team effectively is essential for providing top-notch customer service, and Zendesk makes it easy to set up the structure you need. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, head over to the Zendesk site, your go-to destination for comprehensive customer service solutions. Once you're there, locate and click on the Sign In button to start logging into your account. You'll then need to enter your email and password credentials. After typing these in, click the Sign In button once again to access your Zendesk dashboard. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to locate the Settings icon within your Zendesk interface. This icon is crucial as it leads to various administrative options you'll need today. Clicking on this brings up a range of settings, and you will want to choose Go to Admin Center from the list. Once in the Admin Center, direct your attention to the option labeled People. This section is where you'll handle team management, including setting up groups. As you click on People, scroll down and find the Groups option, which is where you'll be able to manage or create the departments for your team. Now it's time to add a group. Look for a button labeled Add Group and click on it. This is your gateway to setting up your different departments or groups within Zendesk. Once here, you might want to search for the team members you intend to add to this new group and click on the plus icon next to their name to include them. As you finalize who will be in your group, it's time to give your group a distinctive identity by typing in a group name. Be sure to choose a name that clearly reflects the department or purpose of this particular group, making it easily identifiable for everyone involved. Additionally, there's space to add a description if you want to provide more context about the group's role or responsibilities. This can be particularly helpful as your organization grows and more groups are created. With all these details in place, review your settings to ensure everything is in order. Finally, click on the Save button to confirm and create your new department in Zendesk. Congratulations, you have successfully set up a department or group in Zendesk. Remember, organizing your team efficiently helps streamline tasks and enhances overall productivity. Should you need to make adjustments in the future, simply revisit the admin center and make the necessary changes. I hope this tutorial was informative and helpful for you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.